Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Tuesday, January 13th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today in the room. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, actually 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 break-evens. 2 in the ES, 2 winners in the ES, 1 in the TF, no losing trades today. Actually, we would have had another one, but the room closed, so we can't get anybody in a trade when the room's closing. And that actually would have been a beautiful trade because we would have been short here and just went straight down. But what we did was I offered an opportunity to get short at 9:24 Central Standard Time, 20:47, 50 or 75, and that one went down, made a couple points right there. Went to entry, got stopped out on any runner. 2-lot trader would have made probably a couple points on that trade, and that's it. A +1 and +2 maybe, and that was a little trade. Counter trend short that we tried to take because I was expecting this to happen, but you know, it could have happened here, so we gave it a shot. Market came up, came down, and the other trade we had, we actually tried a short up in here, but it got everybody out at break even again. Here, break even trade, called it off. And then we had a short in the TF 1196.1, okay. First target was 1194.5, second target was 1192.1, and I said if anybody only had one left, which most people did, get out here at 1188.9. Now I said if you have more than one left for those larger size traders, to hold it because it was probably going to still keep coming down. Of course, it has kept coming down, but the room closed right here at 1186.7. And per our policy, everybody's got to be flat when the room closes. So 1186.8 is where everybody would have had to exit. Most people got out if they had multiple contracts at 1188.8. But as you can see from 1196.1, you know, this trade here went, if you could hold it all the way to the end, over 100 ticks, almost 100 ticks. Most people got about 70, or up to that point, again, depending on how many contracts you have. So beautiful, beautiful trade there in the TF. And then in the ES, again, shortly after we got into that one, we got short in the ES at 10:12. 10:12. Okay, it was about 15 minutes after we got into the TF trade. That was right here. Okay, we got short at 2046.75, 2046.50, right in there, in that area. Took that down, took profits, and then I offered an add-on for people who wanted to take it, or a new entry at 2042. That was at 10:42 Central Standard Time. Didn't really realize how late it was in the morning, otherwise I probably wouldn't have called the trade. But we got into 2042, we added a 2044, okay, and we got out right before the room closed here at break even. Now I clearly said that if the room wasn't closing here at 11 o'clock, that we would have gotten back in it and we would have taken that thing down. And so far it's went from 2042, you know, all the way down to, you know, over 20 points. Unfortunately, you know, the room closes at 11 o'clock. I had somewhere I had to go temporarily and couldn't stay in the trade. Obviously, if I knew it was going to drop, I didn't know it was going to go 20 points. I had a target of right here, which was a couple points down. And then I had another one at 35, so about 7 points down. And then we did have another target down as well below there, but I didn't. Obviously, I would have probably found a way to stay if I knew that was going to happen. But we got plenty of green today, guys. Plenty of green. Couple points here. And then on the second ES trade, another about 5 points on that. And then on the TF trade, like I said, anywhere pretty much is depending on how many contracts you have. Either you got 20 ticks, 30 ticks, 70 ticks, or 40 ticks, I'm sorry, 70 ticks, all the way up to almost 100 ticks on the trade for larger size traders. So, they just beautiful trade there. So we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to do it all over again, guys. Great day in the Futures Trading Coach trading room, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow.